Good morning, children. Yesterday we completed lesson 21, the interjection. Yesterday we completed lesson 21, the interjection. Today we are going to learn lesson 27. In your syllabus, after lesson 21, you have to learn lesson 27. So, children, please take lesson 27. That is page number 107. All of you take page number 107. Yes. In this lesson, we are going to learn about punctuation marks. This lesson is of punctuation marks. Okay? Lesson 27, punctuation marks. And children, it is very important lesson. Punctuation mark means what? What is punctuation mark? Punctuation mark means full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark. All these things you have to put properly. Okay. Then only we can say we have put all the punctuation marks. Understood? In punctuation marks, we can say there are four things. One is full stop. When we complete a sentence, we have to put a full stop. Comma, when there are many things, choices are there, then we put comma. Red, blue, white, yellow. So when there are many things, that time we put comma. Next one, question mark. What is question mark? When we write a question, we have to put question mark. Then last one, exclamation mark. What is exclamation mark? When there is a sudden feeling, alas, hooray, like that, when there is sudden feeling. In the interjection lesson, we learned what is exclamation mark. So when we are saying something, sudden feelings, when we are showing, expressing, that time we have to put the exclamation mark. I think now all understood. Now we will read from the beginning. Children, please take page number 107. And all of you keep your finger on the first line. All of you keep your finger on the first line. All of you look in the book and sit. Then only you will know how to read. Okay? Yes. Punctuation means the marks used in writing that divide sentences and phrases. Punctuation means, what is the meaning punctuation means? The marks, different types of marks. Sometimes it will be exclamation mark, sometimes it will be question mark, sometimes it will be full stop, and sometimes it will be comma. So that we have to see and put. When we are dividing the sentence, we are seeing and putting. When we are making one sentence into two sentences, we put a full stop in between. Isn't it? When we are writing a question, we put a question mark. Like this, all these four are punctuation marks. Now next line, read. We use these marks in sentences to make their meaning clear. Why we are putting punctuation marks? Because to make the meaning clear. Meaning को एकदम clear करने के लिए we put punctuation marks. Okay. Next line. The following are the main punctuation marks. Which are the main punctuation marks? First one, full stop. What is the first one? Full stop. Okay. Then second one. What is second one? Comma. Children, full stop means, you know, like this we put full stop. And comma like this. Now third one, question mark. Third one is question mark. Question mark we put like this. Okay. Then next one, fourth one, exclamation mark. What is exclamation mark? Like this, we have to write and put one dot here. This is exclamation mark. So these four are very important. Which are the punctuation marks? First one full stop, second one comma, third one question mark, and fourth one exclamation mark. Once more, which are the punctuation marks? Four punctuation marks are there. Which are they? First one full stop, second one comma, third one question mark, and fourth one exclamation mark. Okay, it is clear to you? It is clear to you now? Yes. Now we are going to learn about one by one. And it is very easy. After this, we will do the exercise also. All right. After this, we have to do the exercise. Yes, children. We will learn about full stop. Okay. All of you keep the finger in the book. Keep the finger in your book. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. We use full stop at the end of all assertive or imperative sentences. The flower is very beautiful. That is assertive sentence. Have mercy upon us. That is imperative sentence. Yes, children, full stop. Where do we put full stop? When we are starting a sentence, we put the first letter capital letter. Yes? When we are writing a sentence, the first letter should be capital letter. And when we finish the sentence, we have to put full stop. When we finish the sentence, we have to put the full stop. And what is assertive sentence? Children, in lesson 2, for the first semester, we learned different kinds of sentences. And assertive sentence means normal sentence, ordinary sentence. Okay, simple sentence. The flower is very beautiful. That is a simple sentence. The flower is very beautiful. So, first letter T capital, and after beautiful, you have to put the full stop. Okay. Then next one, have mercy upon us. That is imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? When we ask some request. When it is a request, we say imperative sentence. Have mercy upon us. That is imperative sentence. That is request. Okay. Now, number 2, comma. Now we are going to learn about comma. The comma is used to show a little pause. The comma is used to show a little pause. To show a little pause, not a full stop, comma. That is to show a little pause, a little stop there. For that, we put comma. It is used to separate a series of words in the same construction as she was young, beautiful, kind, and intelligent. I told you when there are many things written about the same person, or when there are many fruits, when there are many vegetables, when there are many colors, that time we have to put comma. All right, there we have to put comma. Now, note. What is the note? That is very important. That is why it is written note. All of you keep the finger in the book. So many are not looking in the book. So many are playing. So many are looking here and there. All of you keep the finger in the book. Everybody. We usually use the word and in place of a comma before the last word in a series or list. Here it is written instead of and. We usually use the word and in place of a comma. Sometimes instead of comma, we use and. Now there are 2-3 points. Just to read that. To separate each pair of words joined by and as These items are available in black and white, red and yellow, and blue and green. See, to separate each pair of words joined by and, as. Sometimes when we are saying the choice, we have to use and in between, like black and white. That are pairs. Okay, black and white. The next one, red and yellow. Next one, red and yellow. Next one, blue and green. So when there are choices, we have to put in between and. All right. Next one. To separate a direct quotation from the rest of the sentence, as the teacher said, the earth goes round the sun. When we are saying somebody's sentences, the teacher said, my father said, my brother said, that time you have to put inverted commas, quotation marks. That is called inverted commas. See, these are also comma. This is a comma, okay, this is comma, and these are also comma. Okay, like this you have to put. Children, look here. These are inverted commas. When somebody said, my father said, my teacher said, my brother said, so what they said, that sentence you have to write here, and then you will close the inverted commas. You will start the inverted comma like this, and you will close the inverted commas like this. So these are called inverted commas or quotation marks. Okay. Now, next one. The earth goes round the sun. Who said that? The teacher said. What did teacher say? The earth goes round the sun. The earth goes round the sun. So there they have put the quotation mark. Okay, that is written here. To mark off words used in addressing people as how are you, Ayush? When I am asking something to Ayush, then how will you ask, how are you, Ayush? So after how are you, there is comma. All of you look in the book. After how are you, there is comma. All the children look in the book and listen to the class. All of you look in the book. Yes. How are you, Ayush? That is a question. So question mark also is there. And after how are you, there is comma also. Yes. Now next page, page number 108. Page number 108. All of you take page number 108. Now we are going to learn about question mark. It is very easy. You all know question mark. When there is a question, we put the question mark. Yes. The question mark is used after a direct question as when will the rain stop? What are you doing? These all are questions. What is your name? How old are you? Where do you live? What are you doing? All these are questions. So after the questions, you have to put the question mark. Okay. Now next one, exclamation mark. Next one is exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used at the end of words that show joy, sorrow, or wonder. What is exclamation mark? Exclamation mark is used at the end of the sentence, at the end of words. Sometimes it will be at the end of the word, maybe after first word. Sometimes it will be after the end of the sentence. Okay, sometimes it will be in the end of the sentence. Sometimes it will be in the end of one word, like hooray. That is only one word, hooray. So there you have to put the exclamation mark. Understood? Yes. To show what? To show joy. Joy means happiness. Sorrow means very sad. And wonder, surprise. That time we use exclamation mark. These words are called interjections. This we learned yesterday. These words are called interjection words. See, example is given there. Hooray, we have won. Hooray, we have won. Okay, हम लोग जीत गया है ना, वही है मतलब. So after hooray there is exclamation mark. Next one, alas, he has died. Somebody died. So what we will say? Alas. The next one, he has gone. Oh, he has gone. He went. That is the meaning. Now, next one, capital letters. About capital letters also we will learn in this. Capital letters are used to begin a sentence and example is given, he is a good boy. I told you, where do we use capital letter? Capital letter we use when we begin a sentence, when we start a sentence, we have to use capital letter. Okay. An example, he is a good boy, H capital. Did you see H capital? Yes. Next one, number 2. To begin each fresh line of poetry, when we write a poem, poetry means when we write a poem, the first letter will be, most of the time, it will be capital letter. Ananya Singh, listen in the class. Don't play with your mobile. Okay. Yes. See, poem is given there. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. In that first T, capital. Again, second line. How I wonder what you are. In that H, again, capital. Up above the world so high. That is third line, but first letter is capital. Like a diamond in the sky. That L also is capital. This poem you have learned in LKG, isn't it? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, this poem you have learned in LKG, UKG, and all. The first letter should be capital letter. All right. Now, number 3, point 3. All of you look in the book. To begin all proper nouns. To begin all proper nouns. Proper noun means somebody's names. Maybe some river's name, maybe some place name, maybe some people's name. Okay. For example, Ramesh, Archana, Agra, India. All these first letter should be capital letter. When you write your name, you have to write your first letter capital. Understood? When you write your surname, you have to write first letter capital. Understood? Now, last point. To write the pronoun I. When we write pronoun I am going to school, I am going to study, I am going to play. The first letter I always should be capital letter. My friend and I went to the market. My friend and I went to the market. There also you have to write I capital letter. Okay, this much is enough for today. Children, please write the homework in your diary. Children, please write the homework in your diary. Learn page 107 and 108. All of you write in your diary. Learn page 107 and 108. Learn page 107 and 108. Okay, thank you.